All right, everybody. So this is my FPV drone that I'm gonna build eventually. Have everything except the body and the controller because I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. I was thinking about doing one out of wood just to make it fancy, like a nice elegant wood, or there's 3D printing it, but I might do the wood idea because I don't know. I'll have to think about it, but 3D printing is easy too. I might do both. You know what? Maybe. Who knows? So, and this is the Run Cam Night Eagle. I think it's a prototype. Sorry, it's right there. It's a prototype camera. It's got, I believe that's a 3 kilometer receiver right there, and that antenna goes with it. 1750 motors, kV. Obviously, 4 of them, big propellers. You know, they're pretty good size. I think that's a ESP32. One of these, I can't remember. I've never actually built a drone. I've owned a few junky ones that I got from China. One of them was 140 bucks, and it literally, I started it out, and it had this collision assistant or whatever. It was spinning on top, and it picked up and crashed straight into my car at full speed into the door. And then it broke apart. I was like, that sucks. And all I did was push up, and it actually went whoop, boom, and it flew into the side like straight. I was like, wow. I think it was that sensor went haywire, but yeah, this won't have any of that. This will be all raw control or whatever we have that we can do here. I haven't looked into it much, but there's a couple other components for the kit. But yeah, I might 3D print one just to get the feel and everything set right, and then I think I'm gonna try wood, like a real light wood. I'll have to look at what's a real light wood. God, I think it would look so pretty if I can make one. It would just be for show, you know, nothing else, and racing. Because I love to hear these things. They sound like bumblebees. I love hearing how fast they can go. I'm even planning on doing some RC trucks and cars too that can go really fast, and boats. Because I have a nephew that used to race those. He actually is a cousin. He's young enough to be a nephew, but he's got a boat, and he brings it to the river every year. And it goes very fast. It's like 50 miles an hour, and it's instantaneous speed. So, and these can go like 200 instantaneously, basically. It's almost wicked. It almost seems unreal how fast these can move if you haven't seen them. So, very cool, very interesting. I can't wait to try that camera out because it's night guard or night view. It's going to have a good low light sensitivity, right? And I'll have about a 3 mile range. I mean, a 3 kilometer range. I can't remember. It might be 5. It might be 3 miles, or it's either 3 miles or 3 kilometers. Pretty good range on that for standard equipment. Anyway, yeah, definitely excited about this. It's been sitting in the box for about 6 months, so I think I'm going to go ahead and start playing with it eventually. I haven't decided yet, but just wanted to show you guys. You know, I love all sorts of stuff, man. I can't wait to do the trucks. The trucks will be fun because I'm going to use bigger motors than this. I've got one that can put out some serious thrust. I think it's like 15 pounds of thrust. It's the micro Samsung. That's what I call the micro Samsung. It's about that big around. It's much bigger than that. It's gold. So I'll use that as a prime mover for the 4-wheel drive on a truck. A little RC truck, maybe a 1/20th scale or whatever. It'll be cool. I'll put cameras on it and stuff like that, and see how fast I can make it. All right, peace.